Welcome back to Dad Deals for this week's edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for the week of July 8th, 2024. One other thing to note is Prime Day is next week, July 16th and 17th, so be on the lookout for that. I'll have videos covering all the deals as they come available. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and check back next week for those videos. You can score some early Prime Day deals, especially on Amazon's house brand products. Here we have their Arrow Mesh Wi-Fi system. You're getting the Pro router as well as a beacon, all for $150. Another popular Amazon brand is Ring, and they're going to have all their doorbell cameras, their floodlight cameras on sale. Here's a pack that includes the doorbell camera, a floodlight camera, and an indoor one for $300. My advice on this is to wait until Prime Day if you can. You're going to see more combinations of deals, bundles on those days, but if you're interested in any of these products, you can get a jump start and get some great deals ahead of Prime Day. My next deal is over at Lowe's, and a great way to beat the heat, especially if you're already in Ego's system, their battery line of outdoor tools. This misting fan is one of my favorite things that I've gotten this summer. It has really done an excellent job at keeping me cool. It can easily roll to anywhere you are. The battery lasts an extremely long time, and it's just an awesome fan. The downside to this unit is it does not come with a battery and charger. You need to already have that. And it's also very expensive at $280 for this fan. But Lowe's is actually having a buy more, save more event going on with Ego, where if you spend $500, you get $200 off. And a great way to hack this deal is to buy two of these to get you over that $500 limit. And you can pretty much pick these up for about $180 a piece doing it that way. So maybe team up with a friend and you can both get one of these fans for a lot cheaper. Or if you have use for two fans, that's a great way to score a great deal. Lowe's still has a lot of their 4th of July sales going on. I did a whole video on that, so go check out that. I did pick up this Harbor Breeze 44-inch ceiling fan on sale for $100. This is a pretty nice fan, especially for the price. It has a fully featured remote control that can control the fan speed, the light, even the color setting on the light, as well as it can dim the light. So it really is a nice fan. One thing to keep in mind is installation was not very easy with this. It's probably one of the most difficult fans I've ever installed. The instructions were just a little unclear, but if you're experienced and you've installed fans before, you shouldn't have too much of a problem. But this is still a great deal at $100. Another Harbor Breeze fan for the outdoor gazebo or patio you might have is this 20-inch oil rub bronze indoor-outdoor cage fan. This is on sale for $40 off at just $100. A great griddle to take camping with you is this Blackstone 17-inch single burner griddle. This can take those small liquid propane tanks, and this is on sale for just $100. That's $50 off their normal price. And here you're also getting a free carry case with it. Lowe's also has this Genie 1.25 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. Those belt drives are much quieter than your old chain drives. This has the Aladdin Connect Wi-Fi compatibility built into it. It comes with your keypad and your garage door openers, all that stuff, even a battery backup. And this is $100 off at $200. They also have a nice hose on sale, a 50-foot hose that is a never kink-free one for $20. These are also crush resistant, and they're made in the USA. And then one last Lowe's deal here. We have the Jackery Mini Explorer 100 Plus. This is a 128-watt portable power station. It doesn't have any AC outlets, but it does have 2 of your USB-C ports as well as a USB-A port. And this is just $90. This thing can fit in the palm of your hand, so it's great to take traveling with you. And it can charge up laptops, phones, iPads, anything you can think of. So just a great little unit. Jackery is a great brand that makes a bunch of these power stations. So check out this one on sale for just $90. Over at Home Depot, they have a bunch of their 4th of July sales still going on as well. Here we have a rigid 25-foot heavy-duty indoor-outdoor extension cord for $25, 50% off the normal price. You can also buy more, save more with these, where if you buy 3, you get 10% off, or buy 4, buy 5, up to 20% off. With hurricane season in full swing, now is a great time to make sure your emergency kit is all stocked up, and an extension cord is definitely a necessity in that kit, especially if you're going to be running any generators. Another deal from Rigid, pretty much every tool brand makes some of these fans. They're hybrid, so they can either be plugged in or you can use the batteries. But this one's on sale for $59. Of course, with those Rigid tools, you get the free parts and service for life. But this is a nice deal at $59. Milwaukee has a pretty nice sale on their outdoor power tools. Here we have the M18 fuel line. You're getting the string trimmer and blower as well as a battery and charger for $350. They also have a buy more, save more going on where you spend $350. Basically here, you get $50 off, up to spending $550 to get $175 off. Milwaukee also has their multi-head system where you're getting a string trimmer, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and edger, as well as an 8 amp hour battery and charger, all for $540. This kind of has all your bases covered and is a great system if you want to just start new or replace a bunch of tools. And then Milwaukee also has their handheld blower with 2 6 amp hour batteries and a charger for $270. On the toolkit side of things, here we have their mega packs. Here's Milwaukee's with their M18 line. You're getting 8 tools, 3 batteries, a charger, and 2 tool bags, all for $600. Here's another version for $500. We're getting 7 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. DeWalt has their mega pack here, where the 6 tool combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger, and you're actually getting that Tough System rolling toolbox starter kit, all for $500. So if you're starting new and want to just go all in on a tool set, these mega kits are really a great deal. Milwaukee Packout has a buy more, save more event going on at Home Depot, where if you spend $180, you get $30 off, and $310 gets you $60 off. So if you're a Milwaukee Packout fan, you want to add to your collection, check out this deal. And then one more Home Depot deal here. We have another Milwaukee tool, the M18 Hatchet Pruning Saw Kit with a 6 amp hour high output battery and charger, all for $280. These are great for doing any pruning, kind of more heavy duty than maybe a pole saw. You can get right up to the branch and cut it down. Gives you a little bit more control and just a nice tool. Switching over to Amazon, they have their Flexzilla Garden Hose Nozzle Kit. It's a 3-piece set for $6. That is 72% off the normal price. These give you just a nice twist action on their spray nozzle. Has quick connect fittings built into it, so you can quickly switch them out. It is plastic, but it's just $6. Amazon has the Craftsman 20-volt max impact driver kit. This is a 1/4 inch. It comes with a battery and charger, all for just $50. This is the same sale that's over at Lowe's as well, so you can buy it at either place. If you saw my Sam's Club food video, you know I'm a big fan of these Weber seasonings. And here we have the roasted garlic and herb seasoning for just $1.90 over at Amazon. Irwin has a nice set of vice grips here. It's a 6-inch and 10-inch model for $20, 37% off the normal price. DeWalt has their 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit with 2 batteries, a charger, and a case for $140, 42% off the normal price over at Amazon. And then one last deal to mention here is on SawStop. SawStop is really one of the premium table saw brands out there. It has that technology that can stop the saw if it comes in contact with your finger. They are also some of the most expensive saws out there because of that feature and rarely go on sale. But right now they're actually having a 20th anniversary sale where you can save up to $500 off a table saw. And you can get this deal at any local of your retailers. Usually you find these over at your woodcraft stores. So go check these out if you've ever wanted one of these saws. Now's a great time to buy it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss one. And I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.